Professor Belfrost's science class is back.
Hi, welcome back, and back to bring you another problem with Prof today. So there are, as usual, three questions that we will discuss for today, which is from the past exam papers that I've collected. So I have one physics problem, one chemistry problem, and one mathematics problem. Please take a screenshot first of the questions that we are going to discuss today and try to solve it by yourself first before continuing, resuming the video to check if your answer is correct or not. Okay, done? We'll start from the first question. Actually, the first question is rather simple. We only need some basic manipulation. Okay, so from the problem, we know that the central protoforce actually the usual expression is mv square over r, but actually because we know that v equals omega r, we can also express this as m omega squared r. It is the same things, right? And then it's told to you that this is this force is actually proportional to the inverse of r raised to the certain power. So we can write it as proportional to 1 over r raised to the power of n. So here omega squared is proportional to 1 over r squared. I'm sorry, 1 over r raised to the power of n plus 1. So by taking the square root of both sides, we can solve it that omega is proportional to 1 over r raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by 2. And also we need to notice another formula. Okay, the time period t can be expressed by 2 pi over omega. So t, the period, is actually proportional to r raised to the power of n plus 1 over 2. That's for number 1. So how about number 2? Number 2 is mathematics and it's easy. So first we need to find out the total number of arrangement for a seating of 5 students. It is 5 factorial. And 5 factorial is 120. And after that, we need to understand the concept of derangement. What is a derangement? A derangement is a permutation where none of the elements appear in their original positions. And the number of derangements is actually expressed by exclamation mark n. You see, of the n object. So the derangement of n is actually expressed in the formula as shown in the slide. So for 4 students, it is 9, and the required probability is 9 over 120, done, which is 3 over 4. Now for number 3, it's chemistry. So actually for this we need to investigate the analyze the option one by one, and we get the incorrect one is option A, because magnesium can form basic carbonate while lithium can form only carbonate, not basic carbonate. Okay, so first we need to analyze the problem by understanding what is diagonal relationships. So diagonal relations actually similarity in properties between elements diagonally adjacent in the periodic table. For example, lithium and magnesium. Okay, so for A, I've told you before that it is the incorrect one. That because lithium doesn't form a basic carbonate like magnesium does. How about B? B is correct because lithium bicarbonate is in solution and is somewhat soluble. Also, magnesium bicarbonate is in solution is soluble, and then this is correct. How about C? Both form nitrates. Yeah, both form nitrates. So lithium form lithium nitrate and magnesium form magnesium nitrate. So this is correct. How about D? Nitrates of both yields NO2 and O2 on heating. Yes, it's true because lithium nitrate will decompose to form lithium oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. Whereas magnesium nitrate is decomposed to form magnesium oxide, natrium dioxide, and oxygen. So these statements are so correct. So the only incorrect statement here is A. For both form basic compounds. That's what today. And here's a little quote for you. So Norman Vincent Peale once said, "Change your thoughts, and you change your world." That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give a like, comment, and share this video to your friend. I'll be back on every Tuesday and Thursday. And please follow me on our social media. And also don't forget to check our website at https colon forward slash forward science with xysd.uneux.com. Keep watching and be thoughtful. Goodbye. See you.